Welcome to Academy IQC Vienna, your gateway to professional growth through modern e-solutions. Whether you're seeking career advancement or skill enhancement, we're here to empower you with digital resources tailored to your goals. Our offerings include eBooks, e-workshops, and e-coaching, all designed for ultimate flexibility and convenience. With IQC Academy, there's no need to attend physical sessions or time-consuming online meetings. Learn at your own pace with content that's available anytime, anywhere. Master your field with our training programs that provide comprehensive PDFs for easy reference, interactive challenges to test your skills, and recognized ISO certifications to boost your credibility. Learn from industry leaders like Dr. Mohammed Ali Ibrahim, a globally recognized ISO consultant and senior lead auditor. With over 20 years of experience, his expertise ensures actionable insights and real-world knowledge to help you succeed. Why choose IQC Academy? Convenient learning tailored for busy professionals, expert-led programs with a focus on real-world applications, and confidence-building tools to make you indispensable in your field. Take the next step in your career today. Explore eBooks, e-workshops, and e-coaching programs at academy.iqc-vienna.com. Unlock your potential and become a certified professional. Sign up now at Academy IQC Vienna. Your journey starts here.